Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will address a common issue encountered by many Sony Smart TV users: apps not loading. If you're experiencing difficulties with your apps, don't worry. Follow these step-by-step solutions to get your Sony Smart TV back on track. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your TV is connected to the internet. 1. Press the home button on your remote. 2. Navigate to Settings. 3. Select Network. 4. Verify the connection status. If it's disconnected, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Restart your Sony Smart TV. A simple restart can often resolve many issues. 1. Unplug your Sony Smart TV from the power outlet. 2. Wait for about 60 seconds. 3. Plug the TV back in and turn it on. Step 3. Update your TV's software. Outdated software can prevent apps from loading. 1. Press the Home button. 2. Navigate to Settings. 3. Select Device Preferences. 4. Choose About. 5. Look for System Update and check if there is an update available. If yes, follow the prompts to install it. Step 4. Clear app cache and data clearing. The cache can help improve app performance. 1. Press the Home button. 2. Go to Settings. 3. Select Apps. 4. Find the app that is not loading and select it. 5. Choose Clear Cache and Clear Data. Restart the app. Step 5. Reinstall the affected app. If an app is still having issues, try reinstalling it. 1. Go to the home screen. 2. Navigate to the Apps section. 3. Find the problematic app. Press the Options button on your remote and select Uninstall. 4. Go to the Google Play Store or App Store on your TV and reinstall the app. Step 6. Factory Reset. Last resort. If all else fails, a factory reset may be necessary. Be aware that this will erase all your settings. 1. Press the Home button. 2. Go to Settings. 3. Select Device Preferences. 4. Choose Reset. 5. Confirm the factory reset by following the prompts on the screen. We hope these solutions help you resolve the issue with apps not loading on your Sony Smart TV. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.